Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2023 GMC Yukon Denali featuring onyx black with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 6.2 liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, power park brake, power moonroof, heads-up display, heated and ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Some safety features include forward collision alert, a backup camera, 360-degree camera, hill descent control, lane keep assist, parking sensors, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows, and powered mirrors that fold in by hitting that there. Storage and cup holders below, as well as the Bose speaker. Denali badging along the bottom, power seating and power lumbar on the left of the driver's seat. Here are the seats. Denali stitched in at the top. We hop inside here. Just to the left when we get inside, we have our power park brake, as well as some of our safety features, including lane keep assist, parking sensors, traction control, hill descent control, and our 360-degree camera. There's the heads-up display. Below that, we have our optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, as well as the lane controls. We can go ahead and start up the vehicle. There in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. To the left of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control as well as forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. We can take a look at the radio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone for Bluetooth as well as Amazon Alexa. And we can take a look at the navigation. And there it is. Just below that we have the infotainment screen controls. Below that we have our dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated for both driver and passenger. Just below here we can push this back to reveal a USB-C and USB plug-in, as well as a 12-volt and a wireless charger. And right here we have 2 cup holders. We can go ahead and take a look at the backup camera. Here's the backup camera, and there we have the 360-degree camera. Here we can take a peek at our center console. Pop it open, plenty of storage space in there. And take a look at a rear view mirror. Just above that we have the OnStar and SOS, as well as 2 dome lights and our sunroof controls, and we can also push this button here. It's going to move our center console back for extra storage below. And up top is our sunroof and the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Denali badging along the bottom, color matched mirror caps and door handles with the chrome accenting keyless entry. Privacy tint on the rear windows. We can make our way to the back. Here's the exhaust. And we can open up the back by double clicking. And it pops open for us. Plenty of storage back here. But if we need more, we can simply push these buttons and it drops all the seats down for a ton more space. And below here, lift this up to reveal some more storage. And we also got a 3-prong on the side. Tons of space back here. And to close it up, all we gotta do is push the button and it closes for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock and power windows. Speaker tweeter at the top, storage below, and our Bose speaker. Denali badging along the side. If we want to drop the seats down, we can pull this up. And if we want to move it back and forth, we can pull this and adjust. We can go ahead and hop inside now. The side of the door, handles on both sides. We take a look in the middle here, the back of the center console, 2 cup holders. Rear climate control, as well as the rear heated seats. We also have 2 USB plugins and 2 HDMI plugins for our entertainment screens at the back. So at the top of the side here, we have our main rear vents and our dome lights. Have those on either side. And there's the 3rd row seating in the back. And here's the view. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick review of the 2023 GMC Yukon Denali. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.